Everybody, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. So as you can see, this one you can push in, but all of a sudden you push in, you pull straight down. So here's the model. It's the inside. So as you can see, you really need to push in. So you had to do this: push in, pull down, and where it says activated, reset. You stick your key in, and there you go. After you're pulling it and resetting it, you stick your screwdriver out. So let's go ahead and open up the pull station and see what's the inside. So at the inside, here's the switch. Here's the LED light. So I might go ahead and pull the alarm again and see what happens. So push in, pull down. So do you want to do it again? So here we go. Push in, pull down. So let's do the key with the key turn. Okay. Let's do it again. So when you close up the pull station, it puts the switch back up to normal. So here we go. So let's go ahead and do it again. Do this. Push in, like do this. Now let's go turn this way. Since you open it, it's open, and then you close it. So let's do it again. Again, here we go. Oh, that sounds nice. Go push in. Let's do this again. Push in, pull down. And the word says activated. Do you want to go again? So here we go. Do it again. So if you really need to push in, without that, it will say pull down, but it might be single action. So here we go. Just go ahead and you push it in, or you just pull it straight back down. Do it again. So here we go. Hold, and let's go reset it. So let's want to pull it again. Okay, you want to do it again? So here we go. So that's the fire alarm demo. So let's pull it again. Oh. The pull station got clicked and I just pulled it. So that that is the fire. That's the fire alarm demo. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And also that have a nice day. To see more fire alarm videos, please rate, comment, and subscribe.